Maxis Incorporated has become known as the leader in time-saving tools for the electrical industry. Now, Maxis presents its latest innovative tool, the Maxis Marksman. The Marksman is a conduit layout tool, which does the job 60 times faster than a tape measure. This tool is so outstanding that it was voted by contractors the NECA Showstopper Award winner 2 years in a row, 2002 and 2003. You're about to see why. The Marksman was designed for electricians by electricians. This is definitely a tool that saves time, is easy to use, and involves no math problems. The Marksman is a quality, laser-etched, anodized aluminum tool. The nomenclature will not wear off. Each tool comes with a lifetime warranty and will lay out any combination of conduits on any surface. Now, here's a more detailed look at the Maxis Marksman in action. Note that each step is etched into the tool to avoid confusion. Step 1 is to mark the strut line, shallow, or the deep strut we see here. Determine what the first conduit is going to be. Turn the Marksman parallel to the strut mark. Now make your first mark, a 3-inch conduit. Step 2, turn the Marksman over and mark the conduit combination. It's so easy. Simply align the previous conduit, mark the next one, slide over, align, mark again, and so on. Any conduit combination can be utilized. Step 3. Position the intersecting marks in the alignment window and mark the center of the first knockout, a 3-inch. Next conduit, 3-inch. Notice you position the intersecting marks in the alignment window each time. 2-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch, 1-inch. Any combination can be used. It's that easy. 3 simple steps to a perfect layout every time. When using shallow strut, mark the first 2 steps as normal. Then, when you get to step 3, hold the Marksman as shown and place the intersecting marks in the alignment window. Then mark the center of the knockout. The Marksman is amazingly easy and versatile. What we've shown here are the most common types of installations utilizing 2 strut types, but the Marksman can be used in any situation where a knockout is performed. Perform a 22 conduit layout in less than 4 minutes. 2 parallel spacing can be used. The notched side is 1 1/8 inches, and the non-notched side is 7/8, used for tight situations. In either case, the Marksman always leaves enough space for bond bushings and hardware. The no-strut portion is used for standard box offsets and will give the exact centers for 1 conduit or multiple conduits. The alignment window is always the back of your pipe, so even if the knockout is a foot deep in a can, you may still use your Marksman. Another positive feature the Marksman provides is a panel schedule showing the relationship of branch circuit numbers to their corresponding colors. And it's laid out just like we pull black, red, blue for 120 to 240 volt colors, and brown, orange, yellow for 277 to 480 volt colors. Just drop it in your back pocket and you have a handy reference all day. The Marksman is a tool that has saved thousands of dollars for contractors and innumerable hours of frustration and tedious layout for electricians. Just think, no more waiting for the right connectors to lay out a panel or calling in for reducing washers to fix a problem, if you know what I mean. The Marksman really is the perfect tool. Every electrician should have one handy. Your client sees the quality of a perfect-looking rack, and you know that it took a fraction of the time because you used a Maxis Marksman. For distributor locations and more info, visit us on the web at maxistools.com.